In this case study, we will consider how credit card interest is computed. Ms. Ong has a credit card with payments due on the 21st of every month. The statement is always dated on the 1st of every month. An interest rate for this credit card is 24% per year, or 0.06575% daily. Now Ms. Ong has an outstanding balance of $2,000 on the credit card and was unable to pay the full amount by the date due, which is 21st of January. She decided to pay the minimum sum of $100 and roll over the balance to the following month. She later spent a further $800 on the 25th of January. She repaid $1,000 on the 1st of February when she received her pay on the 31st of January. She went on to spend another $1,800 on the 10th of February. The question we would like to ask ourselves is, what is the interest incurred by the next statement date on the 1st of March? Now this table will illustrate how much interest has been accumulated. On the left hand column we have the period, then we have the number of days, the outstanding balance, how the interest is computed, and the interest charged. Observe that from the 1st of January to the 21st of January, which is 21 days, she has an outstanding balance of $2,000. So therefore, the interest incurred will be $2,000 times the daily interest rate times 21 days. This works out to be $27.62. Later on, she pays back the minimum sum of $100, so that leaves $1,900 after paying minimum sum. But the amount of $1,900 also incurs interest for 4 days, from the 21st to the 24th of January. So thus she incurred $5 for 4 days. Then later on, from the 25th of January to the 31st of January, which is 7 days, she has an outstanding balance of $2,700 this time. This is due to an additional spending of $800. Thus, 7 days of interest on this amount works out to be $12.43. Thus, on the 1st of February, the outstanding amount is $2,700 plus the interest charge, $27.62 plus $5 plus $12.43. So her overall outstanding amount for the statement on 1st of February works out to be $2,745.05. From the 1st of February to 9th of February, which is 9 days, Ms. Ong owes the credit card company $1,745.05. This is after paying $1,000. So thus, for that 9 days, she has incurred $10.33. She has spent more money after that. So for the next 19 days, from 10 February to 28 February, she owes the credit card company $3,545.05. Now this amount times 19 days of interest works out to be $44.29. And by the 1st of March, on the 1st of March, she will receive a statement of this amount she owes, $3,545.05, plus these two interests which has been incurred, which works out to be $3,599.67. And this amount will be due on the 21st of March. If you total up all these interests, it works out to be $99.67. She thus has a total interest payable of $99.63 with an outstanding balance of $3,599.67. So the message to take home is that you can incur a lot of interest charges, and these charges are computed on a daily basis. The best thing is not to accumulate interest charges but to pay the outstanding amount in full.